Eats poop. Can't get game. Oranges, lemons, wooding, giant beers. Sports manager versus of trampling game. 100 CDA, 5 CCF sounds. Shipments at fun games. Like a load of raked up gobbled slime gears. Turtles in battle. Like icon memories. It's a wiggly world subtitle show. Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog field trip. Marble race. Hairstyle City Lords. 100 moves of 106 hours 17 p.m. Family team memories, Rocket TV show memories, 1964, 1969, delaying scenes of family members that passed, Ball Breaker, Chipkin, 1999, opening trailer, basement, remote and off, Wiggle serves up, Grandpa Sassy Woo, Nightbull Jim Skull, Cold Spaghetti Western and King Pacific Spool, Grandma Business, Vivid Deep Sleep, Cow Shuffle, Buying for an Epic Photo Now, Happy Tree Friends Game with Jim Slide, Scantons Whole Game Right, JCC Camp 2016, JCC Camp Captain Picking, Alex Kimball Poopagranny kept their friends, Falling Sun movies, Shuggy Gun Safari Playground, Yoke Left Seagull, Wiggle Smash School Game, Should Game Box, Alan's Punishments 1, By Novice, Dill's Long Tongue, Edward Kill Doorbell, Captain Balloon Ride, Cooking Beaver Sports Eating Contest, Regular Overclock Fishes Monster Oppas, Nature Cat on PBS Kids App 2012, Breaking Windows and Doors with a Back, Gotham Car, Stumbling Puppet, Swimming over the Cussed Outside, Camp Downstairs, Beastons, Scary W Woman in Camp, Everybody's Coming at School, Scary Nails and Dances After the Toenail, Chippy's Boy, Hub on TV, Butterfinger Circle Commercial Hands Gay Commercial, Family Ski Commercials at School, Didn't Ride Going to School Reading, One Little Candy Downstairs, Smexable Dinner, JCC Cam Zap Zone, BBC Dumb Chewers Lapoo, Baby Songs vs. Lace Tan, Stick Figure Police Meme, High Pitch Luggers in Christmas, Land of Siski Come Suzuki Gas, High Pitch Luggers in 2014, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles vs. Teen Titans Go, Ripley Summer 2015, Game Story 2015, Gummy Seeds and Pippick's Birthday, Earthy's Will Noobs, Living Members Hall, Fast and 400, 45 to get vs. Kevin's at Wood Vasco's Last Tortory, Christmas Land Outside of Team New Song, Ken's Library, Seasonal Mall, Coyotes for Kick of Basement, Music Clean and Cleaner Manager, Rush Products, Star Chick Real Life Shoot to Whip Collection in Camp, Tesla drives a car, Eyeless Ice at School, Stuffed Toad Seagull, Grandpa's Hot Game, Good Camera Cooking at River Outside Pool, Function Outside the River in My Man Park, Mammy's House Animal Dancing at School, Mammy's Bedtime and Dark Big Animal Big Mammy's Husband's Door, Excuse Me Princess Tia at Summer School Camp, Fan Queen's Fudge School Office in Summer Camp on PBS, Happy Chiffins at Rubber Express and Tic Tac, Go School on TV of Computer, Runner Snack Time, Zelda 1 Gamble on TV and Skidoo Sim School, Mommy Goes Little Caesars, Building Trains, Lego Star Wars for Complete Saga Underwater, Mammy's House Commercials, Dentist Appointment 2018, Custom Made to Be Pinterest, Lip Testers Line, Kisses Girl, Fridge to Be Pale and Chew, Sea Island Cranky to Poop, Mrs. Kansas Games off Computer Lab, Deep Cut vs. Captain 6 Pokemon Animals for Beast Box, Mommy's After Rainbow Outside, Gimlet Escape, Custom Made to Poop Sands, Family Liquid Animations, Shark Scan Sands, Classic Chipos, Dinner, Teep, The Destruction of Shoop Dwoop, Tom Drives, Bubba and Mother Nature Show, Nash Sham Sipta Show, Sunday 10:03 p.m. Franny Speed Hunted SE to Beepin Show. Whole Alarm Clocked Up Smash. Kikama Colored Photos. Going to John Legend and Restaurant Nicholas Clarky gets Gwennon and Gwen Spuck from Star Trek Man and Farm of Times. Mr. Man Show Cosplay Beastful Game. Shalom Circle. Office Card One Coyote and Kamal sings Dance With Me Kids for Wiggles and Sears. Lega Hay Party Years 5 to 7 Family Lock Actors. Lega Spider-Man Cutscene and Balance Beam Power Up and Killing Dracula and Random Colored Hulk. Van Us Gaming goes to Big Boy and Britton Barney plus Chin Morrison and Soundbox Studio movie trailer animated and Grandparents Work by House.
Gotham Jungle. Amy speed cheating and Eric stares as Isaac going to Chocolate Factory with sniffles from Happy Tree Friends and toy messages and other people in 2016.